A recent survey says half of U.S. adults who live with a partner, who I'm assuming they like, say they'd be willing to sleep in a separate bed to get a better night's sleep. To be clear, they like each other. They just want to sleep better. Top reasons partners want to sleep in different beds. Number 1, partner pulls the cover off. Number 2, partner has restless legs. Number 3, partner sleeps with the TV on. Partner sleeps with the lights on. And of course, your partner snores. Is it okay to sleep in the basement away from your companion in the name of getting a better night's sleep? Join the discussion at the Smarticle Podcast, smarticlepodcast.com. Follow and subscribe. Really helps out the people.